In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix best friend pose not showing on Snapchat. So go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to long press on your Snapchat application, and then you will find option called app info over here like this. So now you have to click on it, and then you will find option called storage and cache. So now you have to click on it, and now you have to click on clear cache. Then you have to go back, and now you will find option called force stop. So now you have to click on it and force stop your Snapchat application, and now you have to go back to the home screen of your phone. After that, you have to open your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you use, and then you have to click on a search bar and search for Snapchat, and now you have to update your Snapchat to the latest version. And after that, you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to long press on your device of your phone, and then now you have to restart your phone to fix this problem, and you can able to see your best friend pose. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.